Welcome back. In this video, we will learn about few more functions that can beautify our chart. So let's understand about this. So in the first option, we will learn how to increase or you can say decrease the elements of this chart. Like if we wanted to see that just these 5 products, then what we can do? There should not be graph for this Sanyo, Pentax, Ricoh. So we can do this option, means we will just right click on the mouse and scroll this up. Now you see the total number of elements has been decreased, and if you wanted to increase, just do the opposite option, left click on the mouse and scroll it down. It might be little difficult to do so. So for the easier option, we can use right click, then select data. It will give different options like here. So we can unselect, let's suppose initial 3 elements or 4 option, and just click OK. Now you see the number of categories has been decreased. In the same way, you can increase also by right clicking on this option and then select data. Now the number of categories has been increased. Now in the second option, we will learn about how to move the data. If we are looking at Canon and then different countries name, we wanted to see per country there should be the name of the country, then it should be product wise. Then we will right click on this chart area, then select data. Here you will find switch row to column. Just click on it and then OK. Now we can see that now this is the country name and these are the different products. It might be not showing. This is the label, data table, and the legend, and you can put this legend just at the bottom. Now you see this blue color is Canon, then Casio, then Fuji, and this particularly got changed. You can also do it by using, there is an option switch rows and column, and the previous option select data can be used from here also. Just click on it, you will get the switch box instead of right clicking, and you can switch up as per your preference. There is one more option, that is changing the chart type. Just right click on here, you find different chart types available here. Let us suppose this is the bar chart that you wanted to change. Just click here. Now this chart has been changed to bar from the column. You can change it to some other option like line chart. Doesn't look good, but you can change from here. Now the last topic we will be reading, that how we can move this chart from this area to somewhere else. To do so, we can use 2 different options. First, move the chart, that will be available here in the chart design. Just click here, you find object in, either you can go to sheet 1 to the training one, whatever you want. You can create a new sheet. Just click here, you are in a new sheet. This chart has been moved. You can use the second option also. That will be more easier. And that option is just highlight this area and Control X from the keyboard. This chart has been selected and you can paste it here. This is also a very easy way to move your chart. Thank you for watching this video.